Whoa! He's emoting on. The shield! I could've... Why is he? He shouldn't know how to do that! He shouldn't know how to do that! Oh, nice, yeah. This guy's a genius. Like he. Oh. I gotta hit something cool. I gotta hit something cool on him now. You're right. Yeah, I knew. Yeah, I gotta do something cool. Ding. I know. This guy got hit with the rim. Oh, that's ridiculous. You did just get hit with it. That's on. Yo! 47. Tell me how I just got hit right there. Whoa, DI! Sara! Stay at the ball. Oh. You're massive. Wait. Tell me. Acabou, você acabou. Yo, you're telling me I didn't just jump over that? Okay.
Can you guys hear me?
No, bro. Okay, which one am I? Which one am I? Hold on. Okay. 65. I'm the one at 65. I'm the one dead. My name just wasn't popping up, so I did. Are you? Yes! Oh my god, I'm like the sole survivor of that. Hello, bro. Yeah, y'all. Excuse me. Where's my tag? Hey, that's my character, by the way. You can't play him. Ryu and Ken, actually. No. How do you roll? Weirdo. No, what is that? Save me, save me, save me, save me. Come on. You're so bad. Like, you're shut up. Dude, you're just right. Bro. Get out, son.
You can't look the same up in my chair to work.
How does one clutch this? He thinks I get hit by those.
What? Wait, Logan, can I gift things on this account on like Nintendo?
My dad.
Can I buy like games and all that and gift them to other accounts?
Wait, that.